To bind Google Authenticator in Gate.io, start by logging into your Gate.io account and navigating to the account settings. In the account settings, click on Security and find the two-factor authentication section. Next, click on Bind and select Google Authenticator from the list of available options. You will be prompted to scan a QR code using the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. First, download and install the Google Authenticator app from the App Store if you have not already done so. Once the app is installed, open it and click on the plus icon to add a new account. Scan the QR code displayed on the Gate.io website using the Google Authenticator app. The app will automatically generate a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. After scanning the QR code, enter the 6-digit code generated by the Google Authenticator app into the verification code field. On the Gate.io website, click on Bind to complete the process. You will now be required to enter the 6-digit code generated by the Google Authenticator app. Every time you log into your Gate.io account, it is essential to keep your Google Authenticator app and the device it is installed on secure, as anyone with access to the app will be able to generate the verification code and access your Gate.io account. In case you lose your mobile device or uninstall the Google Authenticator app, you can unbind it from your Gate.io account by clicking on Unbind in the two-factor authentication section. You will be required to enter your account password and a verification code sent to your registered email address to complete the unbinding process. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Gate.io account by binding Google Authenticator and adding an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access.